1, 2, 3, funk it.
To airplane mode. During taxi and takeoff, feel free to hold on to small.
Now you're excited, but you never let go earlier. She's like, I don't know about the river, guys. I don't know about the. We could just kayak in Oahu.
I know, that's what she said.
Which is true, it's true. We could kayak in
She said
Oahu.
it first.
But I kind of agree that Yuri said, are we gonna actually? She's like, are we gonna actually go kayaking in Oahu? But I was like, yeah, that's probably true. We're probably not gonna go kayaking in Oahu.
In the water.
Oh gosh, I don't remember it being so off-roady.
We're in the wrong part.
Oh, this is the one. I just don't remember the road being as bad. It might have got worse after that flooding. Yeah, that's what that is.
Own personal bags and possessions with you. I wouldn't leave my sunglasses or shoes or anything like that behind. But the life vest, the paddles, you don't need that. Leave it behind, make sure it won't float away. And we're gonna begin our hike. It's a dirt trail that goes right between some real tall grass, so it's very obvious there's the trail. Follow that through the grass for about 10 minutes. You're gonna pop out by the river and you're eventually gonna cross through the river. Most likely in between knee and hip deep is the water. 100% rocky at the bottom. So do choose your step rightly, because some are sharp, some are slippery, and some are just big. So just watch yourself. Once across, you may wonder where we're going. You're gonna see a metal pole with a sign on it. It says hiking trail, so you know you're doing good. Hiking trail will continue right alongside the river being on your right hand side as you're hiking in. 10 minutes or so into this walk, you're gonna see the trail turns from dirt to a board. So then you're gonna be on the boardwalk. Start having some fun. About 80% of that is boardwalk walk there. Eventually you'll run out of boards and it's gonna be back to a jungle trail. Continue walking with the river on your right hand side. It'll bring you to a small stream, flows out of your left hand side. Cross on through, very shallow. Keep going straight. One more little stream and you'll pass by these little king and queens baths. Turn left, brings you up a little dirt hill. And one last crossing and you look to your right and you say, hey, there's the waterfall. And you go jump in and have a swim. Do watch your guys step. Everything that's in the water is full of rocks. So I can't stress out more than ever that when I mean big rocks, it can go from this deep to, yay deep. But if you're not looking, So, use caution. Keep your footwear on if you have good footwear. And once you're done, hike out the same trail you hiked in on. Back across those two little streams, main river on the left, back to the boardwalk, back to the sign, back across the river, through the grass, and back to your boat.
Like what you see? The guy said, don't let me end up on YouTube now for your own personal.
Trying to take a video without us inside of it.
No, it's okay.
Like to put on there.
There's a beautiful light over there.
Oh,
What if it's poisonous?
It shoots out like some kind of like acid thing on our
Weekend when I
face.
just- What was that almost one?
Good to see the people for scaling, you know? That's all the
Oh, hey
trees
Jared,
are.
you wish you see people? Now we do.
I see dead people. It's really nice. I like that. It's very peaceful, yeah?
It's a zoom lens back
Of you?
She looks good in the morning sun, but even better with the tie-dye on. Feather in her hat, flower in her hair. Love the way that she just don't care. She got a cat that she calls Tattoo. She got herself a couple tattoos too. When she drinks, you know she loves a cigarette. Got a little black pearl hanging round her neck. No, she ain't one for commotion. Oh, she living just like the ocean. She just wanna be free. Just let her be. Take a ride on the breeze. Why can't you see? She just wanna be cool. Doing what you do. Bare feet, swaying to a laid back beat. She just wanna be free. So blowing smoke rings in my head, a kaleidoscope of dreams running around my bed, and I know, we're gonna take it slow. The kind of soul that can do no wrong, a little salt to the earth and a blue sarong, and I know, she gonna take it slow. She just wanna be free. Just let her be. Take a ride on the breeze. Why can't you see? She just wanna be cool. Doing what she do. Bare feet, swaying to a laid back beat. Baby doll, she just wanna be free.
Look at the rainbow over there.
Yeah, there's like a rainbow mist. Oh, okay, this thing is on. Okay, it's right there. It's right.
Should I park right in front of this guy, or
It's. I can't even forget.
you want to go?
You can
over?
take if you don't want to take a chance to turn around. You can park over here.
Okay, I could go back a little, or not go back. Oh, it's right there.
I think there's another stop right there. on
Oh,
the
okay,
side.
no, yeah.
That's where we
Ooh,
stopped.
This is fucking heavy though. Hold on.
That's okay. I think it's okay. It's not that bad.
Unsteady.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. This is where we stopped right here. Actually, that's why. Yeah, it's right there. See how close it is?
Oh, that's so cool. Oh yeah, let's go get
Oh,
some nice
okay.
pictures over there.
It's not busy. Yeah, when we came, it was so busy. This time, like, it's not busy. Because when we came in the earlier day, it was all like cars over here and stuff. So, I guess. I don't know if it says Waimea Canyon. I know there's another sign. There's also going to be like one for a Kala'au lookout too.
Oh, okay.
'Cause that one's easy to stand next to. You don't have to go up on the road. A sign, like a big sign. So it's not, you can't miss
I got
it.
1 bar right now. It's a stop sign?
I guess so.
Kind of like this.
That's even more tight though because the turns are
Oh
more.
yeah.
See my connection. This feels more like 10, doesn't it?
Finally, yeah.
Too wide the road though.
Yeah. Sorry guys, we're almost there by the bathroom, I think.
Yeah, we're getting closer. The other one was nicer though. It didn't have as like. No.
I wasn't even paying attention.
I know we don't have to worry about it, but I don't know. That's why I was wondering how did they know. I heard like something slam.
What's Patagonia?
This way.
Ooh, it's